Alrighty, so I'm going to be showing off the Walmart $60 touchscreen and the 4G Eclipse, and yeah, as you can see, it doesn't fit very well just because how the screen goes, but all this together cost $100, so it's very budget oriented, because I'm broke, and yeah, but my car's dirty. I went to the salvage yard, we went out all day, but anyways, I don't have my hazards hooked up either, so that doesn't work. Anyways, the screen was $60. I got this for $2 at the salvage yard, and the wiring harness was $10, and then I bought a soldering iron to solder it too. That was $10. So altogether it was about $100 total, including the soldering iron, which I am going to be using again. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this up. You guys here? But anyways, so you can see it's got just about everything. You have your auxiliary and stuff here. It makes it kind of hard with this little bracket thing, but in there you can see there's aux. Over here is an SD card, and there's USB as well, so you can charge your phone. It's Swallow too. So anyways, you have all your stations, your preset stations, all that good stuff. It's pretty responsive if I can hit the right buttons. And then all this stereo stuff, you can switch it between stereo and mono as well. And then down here you have your where you can mess with everything. Screen brightness, you can shut your screen off, then you just tap it for it to come back on. You can see it brightens and dims as well. And then over here you have your settings. You can make it beep if you want to. Do all that stuff, your time settings, the loudness, the panel adjust, which is calibrating the screen, radio area, where you're trying to get radio signals from, and then it just says version, all that stuff. This does also have Bluetooth, which is why I got it, because I just need something for while I'm driving to work and back, so I can connect my phone to it, and it works really well. Also has calling. Once you connect your phone through Bluetooth, you have your phone right here, and then you can hang up, and then here's your Bluetooth music section. It works great, and yeah, that's really it. And then like I said, you can buy these online as well, but I just found this one at a salvage yard, and then I'm like, oh hey, let's just get the screen for it too. And then it was really just a quick little budget thing. It was in my budget, so I did it. You can see it doesn't fit the best, but it's much better than the other little screen that we had. But yeah, and then I found this with it too, so it's nice. And I have my license and my insurance in there, so that works. But yeah, that's really it for this. And then it has, as you can see here, next and skip. You don't really use that, everything's on the screen. The only knob you touch up here is your volume knob. But that's really it. The screen is awesome. I mean, just plug and play really. You just have to solder a couple wires and then seal them off and plug it up, and you're good to go. And you can find everything you need at Walmart. Really, you find everything you need at Walmart except for this. But if you guys want a tutorial on how to do this sort of thing, just comment down below and I'll show you guys. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to solder and everything. So just let me know. But anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.